Now we are in homework 7, problem 7. So in this problem, we have a random variance z and with t, and we have the formula equals to this. So and the theta the angle theta is uniformly distributed in 0 to 2 pi in this interval, and m1t and n2t are y-sense stationary, and all of them are all independent. So we have this condition. In the first question, we need to find the expected value of zt. So so we just put the formula into this, and we have the expected value of this. The first elements m1t multiples cosine omega c t plus theta, and we have plus this. So in the condition, we know that all of them are independent, so we can divide them, and we got this, and also we know that the cosine, we can use the integral transmission, and we know that the cosine, the theta is from 0 to 2 pi. So the value of the integral transmission of this and this are both 0. So the expected value of zt should be 0. So this is the first question. And in the second question, we need to find in the second question, we need to find the autocorrelation of zt and local the autocorrelation t1 t2. So we put the formula into this. We know this guy equals to the expected value of zt1 multiples zt2, and we put this formula into this, and we got this and this. We just need to we just need to do the formula transmission, and we got this. Because the m1 t1 because of these guys are y-sense stationary, so we know that this guy should be the autocorrelation of m1, and this should be the autocorrelation of m2, and we got this. So we got this. So, and we just do the transmission of formula, and we got this. I didn't write down the omega c and theta, and is some this equation should be something like in this form. We just transmit them, and we got this, and this whole things, and finally we just need to do transmission formula, the integral transmission to transmit this. Just use integral transmission, and we got finally we got this. This is the autocorrelation of z, and we know that, and we found that this formula only contains tau equals to t1 minus t2 or t2 minus t1, and we know that this should only be related to tau. So we found that zt is WSS y-sense stationary. So this is the second question. And in the final question, we need to find RZ0, the autocorrelation when t equals to 0. And we know that the RT1, T2 equals to this in the second question. So we just put 0 into this, and we got the value should be the value should be this. So this is the final question of the problem 7.